So we have a workshop coming up. We need to remind participants about it. So we'll go to the filter of the workshop that we'd like to remind people about, and then see how many people are registered for that. For this one, we have 4 responses, so there are 2 ways to go about it. Either copy and paste the email addresses from the question summaries, or export the information to an Excel file and then copy and paste all of them at once to blind copy into an email. With only 4 participants, I'd probably be more likely to just copy and paste each one into the email rather than exporting the whole list. So what I'll do is go to the shared drive and find the reminder email in the workshop coordination folder, workshop coordination resources, and the workshop reminder email. That will pull this up, and I'll go back to the SurveyMonkey page once I'm in Analyze Results with that same filter of the workshop that we want to remind people about. And under the question summaries, I can scroll down to where their emails are listed, copy and paste each one from there into this field right here, hit OK, make sure I change the body of the email here to reflect the workshop that I want to remind people about, and then hit send.